Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Irapan Ardana Putra dari kelas 1B dengan NIM 501240057. Tujuan dibuatnya video ini untuk memenuhi tugas akhir bahasa Inggris. If you someone that believe you waste a lot of time, or maybe you just not productive enough, maybe you don't get enough done, maybe you're overthinking, procrastinating, or don't know how to make a plan, this video is for you. Because I'm going to show you the ways that I save more time, make more time, and create more with my time. Let me ask you a question. How many of you believe that you're good at multitasking? Now, studies show that only 2% of the world population is actually able to multitask. And research say that when people heard that, they always assume that they're into the 2%. Maybe you're sitting there at home thinking the same thing. The truth is most us are in the 98% say research, and therefore we have to focus on something called single tasking or monotasking. This is the idea we focus on the thing at time. This sounds counterintuitive. A lot of people say, well, if I'm doing fewer things, that's going to take more time. The truth is when you focus on the thing on time, not only does productivity and your efficiency go up, but your fatigue goes down and your stress goes down as well. Next time you get lost in the battle trying to do lot of different things at the same time, press pause, take a step back, take a breath, and just focus on one activity. This applies to eating, this applies to driving, this applies to texting, it applies to speaking on the phone or a Zoom call. Just do that one thing. A few years ago, I read a study that changed the way life. You can be the logical and create and the same time. Your brain and mind are using different activities and different abilities to do different types of tasks. Imagine you're in a meeting all day about numbers and data analytics, and all of a sudden you ask to do something creative. Maybe with a speech or give a presentation. It can be really difficult to switch from one side of your brain to the other side in a matter second with very little organizing and planning. We literally going like a pendulum, swinging from one text to another, which is regulating different parts of your brain and the abilities that we have. The way I solve this is that I start every day by first writing down my to-do list. I look all the day activities that I have to do now. I'm examples I give in this video. If I simplify my text to make it easier, but know that I do this with a lot more detail. You want to draw a line the middle of the page. On one side of word logical and the other side of the word creative. You know when the plot and make where that text on you to do this fit either in the logical category and the creative category. The question you're asking yourself is take leisurely structured focus. Does it have certain boundaries? Is it quite logical step-by-step process? Or this creative is more brainstorm if somewhere where you need to feel free and expressive. After you defeat this text, you know when to write down the time, estimate the specific text going to take. What end up happening is you start plot your week by saying Monday is going to be creative, Tuesday are logical, Wednesday are logical, Thursday are creative, and Friday are creative. Or your mind also repeat your day up into logical morning and creative afternoon, or creative morning and logical afternoon. This division, this time blocking allow you get a really immersed in activity, really focus and be more productive and effective. So this might be an unpopular opinion, but I live by this and it has truly been game changer in my world. If not calendar, it won't get done. It's not really a reality, right? you have to make sure that is your plan, is your day. So I'm going to show you quickly what my calendar and my schedule look like. That is my life each month. As you can see, is color code, it's beautifully designed and explained through this. What you realize is every single day I have everything from workout time to meal time to reschedule of time and my calendar. What's in allow to do is it help my priorities both personal and professional condiments and help me see both thing it the same place. Sekian yang dapat saya sampaikan. Mohon maaf bila ada kesalahan kata ataupun kalimat. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.